Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 147. This ended November 30th, 2020 for one box of Series 1 Hobby, and it is box 7 of 12 from a fresh sealed case. The case has been great, a lot of case hits, almost one per box, and that is the serial number that we have listed in all 31 NHL listings, and we will show that before we open up the box so we know we are opening the box. We did indeed tell you that we were. I know for some new guys here, there's a 50-cent charge per team. As you know, there's 24 hits that come out of this box. That's a lot of shipping. The 50 cents is to help recoup some of that. If you don't get a team, please don't ask back for a 50-cent rebate. Those are the way it works. It helps. It's a group break. Maybe the next time you get 5 cards on the next break and you only paid 50 cents. But that's the way that works. So I want to thank everybody for paying so quickly. Even though we have a few that we're still waiting on, but I have dealt with them before. So in good faith, we know they're going to pay, and we are going to get through this. So without further ado, Bahati123 has the Stars. CNHJ38 has the Bruins. Dar 785-591 has the Islanders and the Rangers. Devilmatics 1978 has the Predators. Equinox 8771 has the Jackets, the Wings, and the Senators. JPJ 1221 has the Kings. KS Steen has the Panthers, the Flyers, and the Winnipeg Jets. Master Jeep has the Lightning. Noxel Command has the Coyotes, the Blackhawks, and the Penguins. Seeds Jordan has the Toronto Maple Leafs. Sergeant B has the Ducks, the Hurricanes, the Wild, the Montreal Canadiens, the Devils, and the San Jose Sharks. Treylas Zero has the Colorado Avalanche. WPG Goldeye has the Knights, the Canucks, and the Capitals. And rounding us out, Zach Cormier 14 has the Sabres, the Flames, the Oilers, and the St. Louis Blues. So let's remember that serial number ending in 954674, which was listed in all 31 teams. Sealed product, box 7 of 12. 954674, as promised, as advertised. Good luck, everybody. Like I said, the case has been good. This is box 7. 8, 9, and 10 go this week. So get in on there with those with your favorite teams. The case has been good, and the way they pump up the young guns, there should be 2 of almost everybody that was produced in the break. All right, here we go. Oh boy. First back problems. And our first hit is a upper deck canvas. Paul Bunchevich for your New York Rangers. Way to start off with the hits for the New York Rangers. And then they turn these other ones upside down, but not that it matters. There should be a card hit in every pack. And anybody that doesn't show you the serial number prior to the break, I would hold off. Alexander True, Young Guns, for your San Jose Sharks. Way to start off with the Young Guns. Nice hit for San Jose. I'll go through these for exclusives or French variants, but again, generally 1 hit per pack, but I do go through them. There's usually 1 pack that is not a hit pack, and that usually has a French variant in it. Young Guns for your Ottawa Senators. Nice hit. Josh Norris. We have a predominant, looks like it's gold. Brady Tkachuk. Not sure if it's just because it's Ottawa, but I don't think they come gold. And it's thick. So it is a better one. There we go. Nice hit for the Ottawa Senators. Very nice. A little thicker than the regular ones. Way to go. Haven't hit one of those yet. So see this? The case has been good. Congratulations to Ottawa. That's 2 hits for Ottawa. And I can see we have a blue dazzler for your San Jose Sharks. Thomas Hertel. Young Guns for your Chicago Blackhawks. Philip Kurashev. Nice hit for the Blackhawks. Portraits for your Boston Bruins. One of the best players in the league, David Pastrnak. That guy scores goals like it's out of style. Great player. Sometimes I hit that sweet spot, and sometimes it causes me problems. Young Guns for your New York Rangers. Vitaly Kravtsov, also not a bad hit. Nice hit for the Rangers. We have an Upper Deck Portraits, but it's a rookie this time for your New York Islanders. Kiefer Bellows. Nice hit for the Islanders. That's what the predominants usually look like, so I was right. LA Kings, Drew Doughty, predominant. We got the gold variation thick card. No jersey and not numbered, but definitely a variant. NHL Worldwide, Jacob Voracek for the Czech Republic. Nice hit for the Flyers. Young Guns for your Detroit Red Wings, Morgan Geekie. Oh, not for the Red Wings. I apologize. For the Carolina Hurricanes. I was looking at the guy in the background. Apologize. This is for Carolina, Morgan Geekie. Young Guns Canvas. There we go. Michael DiPietro for your Vancouver Canucks. There we go. Nice hit for the Canucks. Young Guns Canvas. Get an extra Young Gun this box. Nice. Canvas for your Detroit Red Wings. This time it is for Detroit. Jonathan Bernier. Usually there's one French variant in each box. It'd be nice if it landed on Young Guns. We'll get an extra Young Gun for that too. NHL Worldwide. Alexander Barkov representing Finland. Nice hit for Florida. And these ones were sticking together. Canvas, Elias Peterson for your Vancouver Canucks. New Jersey Devils, predominant, Kyle Palmieri. Nice hit for the Devils. Still don't have that French variant pack. Maybe we're not getting it because we got that thick predominant as they hit. Upper Deck game jersey, Mikko Ratnin for your Colorado Avalanche. And they're sticking a little bit, but we got them free. And I guess this is the pack. And there it is. French variant. Ben Bishop for your Dallas Stars. French variant. Predominant for your New York Rangers. Artemi Panarin. Nice hit for the Rangers. I think we're still due a couple of young guns, but I might have miscounted. Capo Caco, rookie retrospective. Another hit for the Rangers. I believe we're due a few young guns, but I might be mistaken. Portraits. Mitch Marner for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Some of these cards are sticking. 2 packs to go. Well, there's another young gun. I'll just get rid of these base. Jake Ottinger. Sticking to the back card, but for your Dallas Stars. So I knew we would do at least one more. It'd be nice to finish it with another young gun, but we shall see. Again, guys, boxes 8, 9, and 10 from this great case are up the rest of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And we end with a Tyler Bertuzzi Upper Deck portrait. And there you have it, ladies and gents. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Thanks, guys.